Hi friends! Are you looking for the steps to make the Dropbox sync with my Documents folder on your computer? Let's go ahead and see how you can do so. Click on the search box in the taskbar. Type CMD and then right-click on the command prompt. Select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window that opens, type mklink /d space, close quotes. Now open the Dropbox folder and then copy the folder's path from the Explorer window. Go back to the command prompt window and paste the copied folder path. Now in the same line, type /linked close quotes space, open quotes. Now open the Explorer window and then locate the Documents or My Documents folder and copy the folder's path. Go back to the command prompt window and paste the copied path, and then type close quotes. Press Enter key and you will see a message, Symbolic link created. Now close the command prompt window and go to the Dropbox folder. Open the linked folder. All the files from Documents folder are synced. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.